we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share some tips to help you survive a power outage during a very bad winter storm. Recently we had a winter storm here in Texas and there were power outages across the state in around 1 million homes. Luckily and by God's grace we did not have a power outage or water issues and we just moved through. But during the day we moved into this house a few years ago, it was snowing and we did not turn on the power in this home before we moved in, and those few hours it was freezing cold and we experienced it for a few hours. I just collected some information and experiences from people that I'm going to share along with a checklist of items that we need to have if at all we face a power outage during such winter storms. Not only winter storm, during any time it will be helpful to have these items handy and to take care of these tips at your home to help you survive during these times. The kids had a great time enjoying the snow and playing in the snow for it was around a week, but they did have a great time. And it's 1 week now since we had these power outages. It's very clear, the sun has come out, all the snow has melted and it is very sunny now. I'm showing some clips of them playing as well as sharing the tips and handy checklists that will be helpful during power outages or otherwise. Hope it helps. If you like our channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Like us, give us a comment, share, let us know your feedback. Thank you all for watching. It's snowing very much in Dallas.
Oh, I made my first snowball! I made my very first snowball!
Yeah, you can. I know. Zaki, you'll feel cold, Zaki. Your dress will become cold.
Yeah, it's worse than I thought.
Yeah, it's full snow. Oh, your hand. Come. Come, that's what I said. Don't slip and fall. Maria, say we look here. Say we look here. Maria, look here.
Wait, I'll see how much.
Don't go fast, Devi. Don't go fast, Devi.
Wow! They swallowed that baby shrimp.
Yeah.
Wow! This is so cool. The little pool is even filled up with snow.
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow! I never expected this many snow in Dallas. I know. I have never seen snow ever. Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Baby says, oh no.
Yeah.
Today is freezing so much and there's snow today. I'm really happy.
Really happy that you're getting to see so much of snow after a gap of few years.
Yeah, I've never seen this much snow. It's wonderful.
Yeah, we saw this last time we saw this much snow was when Saki was born. Here.
Jackie! Oh my god!
Xavier, come this side. Xavier, come this side. It's snowing very badly. Come. Slowly. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Slowly.
Yeah.
All these tips are from a layman point of view. Though I have worked with Oncor on one of their projects while I was working with IBM, Though I have done electrical and electronics engineering, I have been working on IT all throughout. The first tip or lesson that we have learned during these power outages is that if you share your power grid with a fire station, police station, hospital, or locations that are critical to infrastructure, you may not have a power outage, or even if power goes out, it will be restored faster. Tip number 2, or the first thing to do when you have a power outage during severe winter, is to move to a friend's home or to a hotel. Tip number 3 is it is nice to have a backup generator. You can hook up your refrigerator, charge your phones, heating devices, etc. on that. Portable solar generators are available that you can use even in apartments or condominiums, and those are really affordable. They use lithium batteries and can be coupled with solar panels. Is to lit a fireplace if you have one. Tip number 5 is to secure your home from heat loss. Cover all windows or doors, especially the gaps near windows or doors, so that cold air doesn't get inside, and it helps to retain the heat inside the home by using tapes or thick blankets. You can use insulation tape and use heavy fabric or thick curtains and cover up the blinds. To try to stay in a small area inside your home and close all the doors. An area where there is a fireplace will be. Tip number 7 is to dress up in layers to keep warm. Use thermals and layers of clothing to keep. Wear coats, hats, gloves, socks, and shoes or boots. You need to have these for every member of your house. Tip number 8 is another thing I've seen being shared is to create a tent over your bed inside your home and stay inside it. Body heat in this micro environment keeps it warm. You can buy tents at cheap rates and either cover yourself with blankets or use sleeping bags. Tip number 9 is to keep enough blankets at home. Try not to dispose blankets and store them because you never know how many blankets you might need in case of a power outage like this. Tip number 10 is to drink warm liquids and eat hot food. Stock easy to prepare shelf and canned food like hot chocolate, tea, coffee, and ready to eat meals. Tip number 11 is to use safe indoor cooking methods and fuels to heat up food. Portable stoves or camping stoves with fuels like propane and butane are readily available. Tip number 12 is to find potential heat sources like tea lights, hot water bottles, etc. Tea lights can be used to build tea light heaters by using them inside a can or under a terracotta pot. You can also cook food or make your food warm by keeping them on tea lights. Tea light candle lanterns with heat shield like these are also available that will both warm the surroundings and can be used to heat water or cook food. Tip 13 is to get inside your car and run the heater and stay up there. Tip number 14. If you have an RV or a car that has a power generator like the 2021 Ford F-150, you can use that as a power plant for your house. They have an onboard generator and you can take the cords into the house and power appliances and heat your home. Also, many new cars have power inverters which can be utilized too. That is 12 volts can be converted to 110 and you can run extension cords into your home and power your appliances and charge your phones, etc. Tip number 15. Install a carbon monoxide detector if you haven't already done so. Also, if you're using a car, remember to pull it outside the garage as otherwise carbon monoxide might build up. Tip number 16. When it becomes extremely cold, your pipes could freeze or burst. To avoid that, keep your faucets running by dripping water. Also, try to keep the cabinets under sink open to circulate heat. Here is a checklist of items that you can have. 1. Plastic sheeting and insulation tapes or painter's tape. Camping tents and sleeping bags. Thermals and warm clothes like coats, hats, gloves, socks, shoes or boots for every member of your household. Easy to prepare shelf and canned food, warm food and beverages like hot cocoa, soups, chili bean, etc. Indoor safe cooking devices and fuel like a portable stove, backup generator or solar generators, heater like a propane heater, tea lights or candle lanterns, blankets, lots of them for all members of your family, extra water bottles or cans, carbon monoxide detector, fire extinguishers, torch light and batteries, gallons, cans to store water in case you need.
Guys, today
It's bright and sunny outside after a week of bad weather and snow. Kids are outside.
That means we get to play and make some more snowballs.
Yeah.
And it's so cool that we get to play sun and snow because it's like a portal to winter.
Playing in the.
It's like a portal to winter, and it's like a promise to where it's sunny. So I just made a snowball. Okay. And Mari, stop trying to make it untidy and not mighty. We have that rule over here, okay? So when this gets so full, we'll dump it with our vegetables. My dad said that, and once we dump it, we'll keep trying again and again until my dad says we can stop. And this is what we're using to fill up. I'll show you what you're supposed to do. So you fill this garbage truck up with snow.
Everybody, come here.
You fill the garbage truck you fill the garbage truck up with snow. Once the garbage truck has a lot of snow and full, it comes from here and then it dumps all the snow into here.
Everybody, come here.
And then once this is full, it dumps into the garden and it keeps repeating again and again. And Mommy, you're literally destroying our city. Mom, get off our If you didn't know, we've made
Everybody, come here.
And I can't believe it snowed that much in Dallas. And look, it's like a portal to winter. It's like a portal to where it's snowy. And it's like, and then there's another portal to lead to where it's sunny.